Welcome to today's insightful discussion. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and in this video, we're going to delve deep into a key term you've probably come across if you're part of a maintenance or operations team: mean time to repair, also known as MTR. We'll break down what it means, why it's crucial for your plant's overall effectiveness, and how you can improve it to maximize productivity. So stick around as we unravel these concepts and more. Let's talk about mean time to repair, or MTR for short. This is a term you might have come across, especially if you're part of a maintenance or operations team. But what exactly is it? Simply put, MTR is the average time it takes for equipment to be diagnosed, repaired, and recovered after experiencing a failure. MTR is a crucial metric used to assess maintenance effectiveness. It plays a significant role in a plant's overall equipment effectiveness. When a piece of equipment experiences downtime, especially due to failures, it negatively impacts its availability and therefore the overall productivity of the system. So how can we improve this? By keeping a data-driven mindset and proactively improving the MTR. This way, manufacturing processes can reduce availability losses due to repairs. The goal is to speed up the equipment's rate of recovery from failures and breakdowns. Minimizing the MTR values of equipment is a step towards maximizing a plant's productivity. Now you might be wondering, how do we calculate MTR? It's pretty straightforward. The MTR is equal to the average duration of each stoppage due to failure. This is calculated by taking the total downtime that goes into the repair and recovery of equipment divided by the number of times that the same equipment has stopped its operation. Let's consider an example. Suppose a mechanical mixer, usually operating 10 hours per day, broke down twice in a month. The first breakdown was due to a severely broken part that took 3 hours to replace. The second breakdown was caused by the system overheating, which took 4 hours to repair and recondition the mixer. In this scenario, the total downtime caused by a total of 2 events is 7 hours. This puts the MTR at 3.5 hours. It's important to note that the MTR formula is not dependent on the span of time in which the equipment operates, also known as uptime. MTR is only quantified by the average time each stoppage lasts, regardless of the period between the instances of downtime. Another metric used with MTR to characterize availability is the mean time between failure, or MTBF for short. Working on these variables are essential to ensuring plant availability. So, how can we improve MTR? The most effective way to reduce MTR is to get to the root cause of the failure before it even occurs. Closely monitoring operational data of each piece of equipment in the plant enables the early detection of possible causes of failure. In today's setting, these tasks can be completed more easily and accurately with tools such as CMMS software. Performing preventive maintenance on equipment addresses most issues that eventually lead to major breakdowns. When equipment is routinely scheduled for inspection and maintenance work, points of failure are identified early, and the resulting MTR is relatively short. Another way to improve MTR and increase availability is to map out and plan ahead of possible breakdown scenarios. Anticipating possible causes of breakdown can better equip the team with efficient solutions to quickly resolve issues. However, when using MTR as a key performance indicator, it's important to be aware of potential inconsistencies in recording data. Always define the methodology by which variables within the operations are measured. This provides a transparent guide for internal teams and external stakeholders alike. In conclusion, MTR is a valuable metric for any maintenance or operations team. By understanding it, calculating it correctly, and taking steps to improve it, you can significantly enhance your plant's productivity. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of mean time to repair, how to calculate it, and strategies to improve it. Remember, a lower MTR leads to higher productivity. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. For further information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you maximize your plant's productivity.